Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about cell cycle, stages of cell cycle and phases of cell cycle. So, the most basic characteristics of cell is reproduction. Reproduction occurs at different levels of organization. Plant of cells such as chromosome produce new chromosomes, cells produce new cells, individuals produce their offspring like themselves. If you recall from chapter 1, we should remember Rudolf Virchow proposed an important biological principle. Cell came from cells. This principle tells us that the combination of life, including cell aspects of reproduction, is based on reproduction of cells. We commonly refer cellular reproduction as cell division and it is a part of whole life of cell called cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Cell cycle is a series of events from time a cell is produced until it completes mitosis and produces new cells. Cell cycle consists of two major phases, interphase and mitotic phase. Mitotic phase called M phase. Mitotic phase is relatively short period of cell cycle. It alternates with much longer interphase where cell prepare itself for division. Interphase is the time when the cell metabolic activity is very high. As it performs its various functions, it divided into three phases called G1, S phase and G2 phase. G1 phase. After reproduction, a cell starts its cell cycle called G1 phase. During this phase, cell increases its supply of proteins, increases the number of its organelles such as mitochondria and ribosome and grows in size. This phase is also marked by synthesis of various enzymes that are required in next phase called S phase for the duplication of chromosomes. What is S phase? S phase cell duplicates its chromosomes. As a result, each chromosome consists of two sister chromatids. Number 2 is G2 phase. In G2 phase, cell prepare proteins that are essential for mitosis, mainly for the production of spindle fiber. Then G2 phase. In G2 phase, mainly for production of spindle fiber. After G2 phase, the interphase cell division of phase M phase. It is categorized by mitosis in which cell divided into two daughter cells. Cells are temporarily or permanently stop dividing are said to have entered a state of sequence called G0 phase. G0 phase in multicellular eukaryotes, cell enter G0 phase from G1 and stop dividing. Some cells remain in G0 for indefinite period, neurons. Some cells enter G0 phase semi-permanently. For example, some cells of liver and kidney. Many cells do not enter G0 and continue to divide throughout an organism's life, like epithelial cells. Mitosis. In 1880s, a German biologist called Walter Fleming observed that in a dividing cell, nucleus passes through a series of changes which he called mitosis. Mitosis is a type of cell division in which a cell divides into two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as were present in parent cell. Mitosis occurs only in eukaryotic cells. In multicellular organisms, the somatic cell undergo mitosis. Prokaryotes undergo a process similar to mitosis called binary fission. They do not undergo proper mitosis. Phases of mitosis. The number one is karyokinosis. The division of nucleus is further divided into four phases called prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. What is prophase? Normally, the genetic material is in nucleus is in those thread-like form called chromatin. At the onset of prophase, chromatin condenses into highly ordered structure called chromosomes. Since the genetic material has already been duplicated early in space, each chromosome is made of two sister chromatids bound together at the same centromere. Each chromosome also has kinetochore as centromere. Kinetochore is a complex protein structure that is the point where spindle fiber attached. There are two centrosomes, collectively called centrosomes, close to the nucleus. Recall each centriole duplicate and thus two daughter chromosomes are formed. Both centrosomes migrate to the opposite poles of cell. Here, they give rise to microtubules by joining tubular protein present in cytoplasm. The microtubules thus formed are called spindle fibers. The complete set of spindle fibers are known as mitotic spindle. By this time, nucleus and nuclear envelope have degraded and spindle fiber have invaded the central space. In highly vacuolated plant cell, nucleus has to migrate to the center of cell before prophase. The cell of plant lacks centrioles, so spindle fiber are formed by the aggregation of tubular protein on the surface of nucleus. Spindle fiber are formed by aggregation of tubular protein on the surface of nuclear envelope during prophase. The number two is metaphase. When spindle fiber have grown a sufficient length and some spindle fiber known as kinetochore spindle fiber attached with kinetochores of chromatin chromosomes. Two kinetochore spindle from opposite poles attached with each chromosome. Chromosomes arrange themselves along the equator of cell forming a metaphase plate. A number of other fibers, non-kinetochore from the opposite centrosomes attached with each other. Then, the number three is anaphase. When a kinetochore spindle fiber connects with the kinetochore of chromosome, it starts to pull toward the originated chromosomes. The pulling force divided the chromosomes, sister chromatid, and they separate. These sister chromatids are now sister chromosomes and they are pulled apart towards respective chromosomes. The other spindle fiber also elongate at the end of anaphase. Cell has succeeded in separating identical copies of chromosomes into two groups at the opposite poles. The number four is telophase. Telophase is reversible of prophase. A new nuclear envelope forms each set of separated chromosomes, but both cells of chromosome now surrounded by nuclear envelope unfold back into chromatin. Nuclear division is completed, but cell division has yet one more step to complete. The number B is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. In animal cell, cytokinesis occurs by the process known as cleavage. Cleavage furrow develops where the metaphase use plate used to be. The furrow depends and eventually pinches the parent cell into two daughter cells. Cytokinesis in plant cell occurs differently. Vesicle derived from the Golgi apparatus move to the middle of cell and fuse to form a membrane-bounded disc called cell plate or pharyngoplate. The plate grows outward and more vesicles fuse with it. Finally, a membrane of cell plate with plasma membrane at its contents joint parent cell wall. The result is two daughter cells each bounded by its own plasma membrane and cell. Significance of mitosis. Mitosis. Importance of mitosis is the maintenance of chromosomal set. For example, each daughter cell contains chromosomes that are alike in composition and equal in number to the chromosomes of parent. Following are the occasions in the lives of organisms where mitosis happens. Development and growth. The number of cells within an organism increases by mitosis. This is basic for the development and multicellular body form of single zygote and also basic of growth